This video is sponsored by Squarespace, the place to go if you want to create your space online. I was at IKEA last week and there were so many new products. So today I'm showing you some of the best new IKEA finds for spring 2024. If you're new here, hi, my name is Man and this is Mars. And we love all things IKEA, interior design and DIY. So before we start, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. It really means the world to us. Now let's go! We are starting right off with the first new IKEA find, and that is this gorgeous coffee table. Now let me tell you, when I first saw this coffee table, I screamed inside. This is such a beautiful and timeless table that is made so smart. You see, other than looking absolutely amazing, this coffee table has two soft closing drawers, one on each side, which are a godsend when it comes to collecting miscellaneous items around the living room. The brushed wood veneer looks so good. Plus, it's durable, stain resistant, and so easy to keep clean. This one comes in two wood finishes, and I like both of them. Another new product this spring is this simple outdoor chair. This one is made out of durable carbon steel and breathable fabric. It's lightweight, stackable, and comes in this stylish green color that will suit perfectly any balcony or patio. It's such a cool chair and can be used for both indoor and outdoor use. The next new product I was so excited to see at IKEA is this extendable round dining table. I love this table so much. It's a statement piece for your dinner area for sure, with fine details like solid wood edges, beadboard ends with cross-grain patterns, and smooth rounded corners. The best thing about this table is that each table is unique with varying grain patterns and natural color shifts that are honestly part of the charm of the wood. Plus, it's so easy to extend. It takes only a few seconds, and what's even better, you will only need one pair of hands to do it. Just loving this one. And another new dining table that's more on the budget is the DANDERYD Dining table, which now comes in both black and white. The tabletop of this one is made of MDF, which is a strong, durable material, and the tubular steel table legs offer strength and durability with the look of traditionally crafted wood. There are so many new storage boxes and baskets at IKEA this spring, and one of my favorite ones is this handwoven rattan one. This basket is made out of handwoven plastic rattan that looks like natural rattan, but it's way more durable for outdoor use. This one also comes in a slightly bigger option, painted in black. And when we're talking about storage, just check out this new toiletry bag / drawer organizer. This accessory bag keeps small things like your makeup, hair clips, or even chargers organized and easy to find in your drawers. It's soft and easy to fold and store when not in use. The plastic interior makes the bag easy to wipe dry and also makes it more stable. And another amazing new product for organizing your drawers is this one. This drawer organizer is the perfect product for organizing your socks or underwear. It's also great for storing study materials such as pads, paper, and pencil. Another new storage IKEA find this spring is this velvet storage box. This one is so cool. It comes in red and there is a larger option in deep blue. And although this red one is my personal favorite, I think both of them are a great idea to add to your open shelves or work desk. Now let's take a quick break so I can tell you about today's sponsor, Squarespace. If you're thinking about designing a beautiful website or creating an online store, Squarespace is the place to go. First off, their Fluid Engine is the next generation web editor that makes designing stunning websites so easy. With their drag and drop technology, anyone can create a stunning website, even someone like me who is literally doing this for the first time. Also, you can kickstart or update written content on any website, product description, or email with Squarespace AI, generating instant personalized results that know and show your brand identity. Not to mention Squarespace Blueprint AI and SEO tools. You can choose from a professionally curated layout and styling options to build a unique online presence tailored to your brand or business and optimized for every device. So what are you waiting for? Head on to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thank you Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our finds. This wall shelf is another new IKEA find, Disspring. This one looks so good, plus is such a practical solution for wall storage. It has 3 hooks for keys or clothes, 1 shelf, and 1 small tray with a space for your mobile phone. This shelf is made out of eucalyptus wood, which is a natural material with variations in the grain and color that makes each piece unique. Another interesting new shelf at IKEA this spring is this black one. This shelf is made out of durable metal and it can be used anywhere you like in your home, from the bathroom and kitchen to the hallway, living room and bedroom. Although this one is made for keeping your plants, I could totally see it in the kitchen for organizing spices or the bathroom for keeping your skincare products. IKEA released so many new bar carts and trolleys this year, and one more that joins that family is this gorgeous and compact wood trolley. I love this one so much, especially the fact that it's made out of acacia wood. It's durable and sturdy and can be used both indoor and outdoor. A poof that's new at IKEA this spring is this cute floor cushion with black and white pattern. This one is perfect to keep when you need extra seating around your home. A rug that's new at IKEA is this gorgeous handmade wool rug. And I know that this one is really pricey. I mean, you can get a sofa for a price like that. However, I had to mention it since I think it is such a unique and beautiful IKEA product. This one is one of those high quality IKEA products that's handwoven by skilled craftspeople. It's a hand-knotted work of art in 100% durable wool. Plus, it really looks stunning, and if you're looking to invest in a quality rug, this is a great option. IKEA just has the best candles, and a new scent they released this spring is this Japanese-inspired candle in a ceramic jar. Not only this candle smells so good, offering a fresh feel of green matcha tea and ginger, but the jar looks so good, making it a perfect decor for your home. It comes in 2 sizes and 2 scent options in black and white. A cushion cover that's new at IKEA is this one in a classic check pattern and a decorative frill around the edges. Not only this one looks so good, but it's also made out of 100% cotton, a natural and durable material that becomes softer with every wash. This is the perfect option to add interest to your sofa or bed. This pitcher / vase is another new IKEA find. This one's so timeless, elegant, nice to look at, and just perfect to use for a traditional table setting. Plus, I could totally see this used as a vase. And another one that looks so funky and playful is this hand-blown glass orange vase. It looks so stunning and it's perfect for short stem flowers. And the last product I have for you is this picture frame for 9 photos. I just love the idea of this one and the versatility, especially the fact that you can choose to frame your picture in different ways. I'm honestly considering this one for my Instax photos. I have so many of them and I think this frame would be the perfect way to organize them and make them look cute. And that wraps it up for today. I really hope you liked these new IKEA finds. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. I got so many new things at IKEA and I'm filming an IKEA haul next week, so make sure to stay tuned because you don't want to miss it. I just got so many amazing things I want to share. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! You guys are always saying that Mars is always asleep, so I think I'm going to wake him up for this one. I mean, he's been sleeping for like 2 hours straight. Let's go. Little boy Mars, are you awake? Please wake up. No, you're falling asleep again. We'll be filming a vlog soon, right? Just tell them. Tell them we will film a vlog. No, don't turn your face on me. They're waiting for a vlog. Couldn't care less. You couldn't care less. Say bye, buddy. Bye.